now I'm going to show you why this is the most beautiful battery on the market. Welcome everyone to our warehouse, where I will be showing you what's included with the Sungrow hybrid battery system. Let's crack it open. So first we see the actual connection box. This is basically just to connect all of your batteries. The breakers are included. Then you have your top and bottom part of your Sungrow battery. So this is basically just the top and the bottom, and then the battery slot in underneath. Now we're actually going to look at the battery module. So the minimum battery modules is 3, maximum is 8 in one stack. If you missed any of our videos, just check in the description below. See you on the next video.